Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unpin a message in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unpin a message in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and from over here guys, in order to proceed, open the chat box of the person on which you want to unpin a message. So let's go, and this is the message or the chat box of my demo account on which I had pinned the message. Now in order to unpin a message guys, you can see all of the pinned messages will be at the top of the screen, and this is the pinned message I had pinned earlier. Now in order to unpin it, on this tab at the top of the screen where it says the pinned message, at the right side of it there is a cross or a close icon available for us over here at the right side of the pinned message bar on the top, and you can also tap and hold on it in order to view that pinned message. So now in order to unpin it, tap on the cross icon at the right side of that pinned message, and this kind of a pop-up box will appear where it says, are you sure you want to unpin this message for everyone? And after that, tap on the unpin on the box, and with that being done guys, your message in the Telegram chat will be unpinned. And then guys, this is how to unpin message in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.